Hi my friends, this is Ian at Buildabizonline with a brand new tool. Now, have you ever received an email that has a fancy look to it, with some colour in there, some background, some pictures, that sort of thing? Okay, I know I have, and now we've got a generator, a code generator to do that. Okay, now we're going to use this in conjunction with our WYSIWYG editor, the Buildabizonline WYSIWYG editor. Okay, so all will become clear. Now you can see here, this is what we're generating, okay? This can you see the grey there? You can see white there. That won't be shown, just the grey and the box and the title. And then we carry the code it generates by copying just there and taking it over to the WYSIWYG just to finish the email off, okay, the email side. So let me show you how to use it. Okay, first of all, what I'm going to do, let's just have a look at, I always use Verdana. Okay, anybody that knows me, I always use Verdana. Okay, so the font size, let's have a look now. That's in here, the email just here. Okay, that's for later on, but I generally do that round about 12. Okay, or I'm going to do it 15 this time. Okay, and I'm going to have it black. I'm going to keep it at black. I want to show the title. If I click that, look, you can see the title disappears, and I'm going to call this Team Buildabizonline. Let's just get rid of that. That's it. Newsletter. So there it is. Can you see that down here now? Okay, Team Buildabizonline newsletter. Now, why Team Buildabizonline? Now, I call everyone in my personal downline Team Buildabizonline. Okay, you can call your downline whatever you wish, but I call mine Team Buildabizonline, and it's a newsletter that I'm sending to them. Okay, now we can alter the text of this now by simply, you watch it get bigger or smaller, whichever you want. You can see, and I usually have it around about 25. We can alter the colour of that by clicking down here, wherever, and just doing that. Okay, so you choose the colour. I'm just going to choose black again, and then you click. Once you've selected it, you click anywhere outside the box. So one more time, I'm going to use a nice blue, something up there, and then I'm going to buff. Okay, now then, there's a grey outer box that you can see. There's the inner box. The email body will go on in there, and this is the outer box. Now we can change that colour to whatever we ever want, or there are some presets. Now there's a little blue one there. There's a, I don't know what colour that would be, like a sandy colour, and then a pink colour, and then there's a plain. But I do like this grey. Okay, so I'm going to leave it like that. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make this around about 750, I think. And then I'm going to click down here, and you can see the boxes opened up. I think that's a good size, around about 700 to 750. Right, now we've got this border here around it. Okay, so we can alter that if you keep your eye on it, look, can you see that? It's going darker, thicker, sorry. And we can change the colour of that border over here. Now, you can see the radius here is small. And what that does, can you see it now? Look, can you see it rounding the corners off? A lot of these emails that we get now with these templates, they're all rounded off. So I'm going to use that. And I'm going to choose black for my border. So I'll slide it to wherever I want, and then I'll left click. Okay. Now the padding, that's the distance between the top and the bottom. So we're going to do that. Okay. And that's it. I've generated a template that I'm going to use to send Team Buildabizonline an email. So let me just, now I can either copy it like that or click copy. And then what I want to do is go over to the WYSIWYG here. And then I'm going to click source. And I'm going to highlight that and click delete. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to click Control V to paste that code in that we generated as an email template. Okay. Now you could save that in Notepad or something like that. Okay. Now what I tend to do in here is stretch it out. Okay. So what I've got, I keep some templates, the emails, not the fancy thing, and I'm going to put here. I'm going to click on that, and then you will see. Look, I'm going to copy all of that, and I'm going to back over to here, and I'm going to look for this email text goes in here. Okay, so I'm going to highlight it, and I'm going to click on the source, and can you see that there? Look, I'm just going to highlight that between there, and I'm going to click Control V, which is paste. Now you watch this. Now there's the email. Okay, now I could use that just as it is. Okay, I could use that just as it is. Probably doesn't make sense because it's only a template and I have to finish it off. But what I would do with this then, okay, I would put my name in it and this, that, the other, whatever. And then I would go up to source and I would right click, select all, copy, and then I would come over to my Buildabizonline account. And I would go to here, look, promotional, email your referrals. And what I would do is paste that code in there, and I would go something like that. And then I would click send, but I'm not going to send this because I've already sent an email out. Okay. And that would be it. That would be it. So what it would look like, not there, that wouldn't be it. Let's have a look. Here we go. It would look very similar to that in the email when they get it. Very similar to this. There would be a title at the top, just like that. We've got a black border. We've rounded it off. We've pasted the main body of our text in there. That doesn't make much sense because I've not finished it off properly, okay? And that's what we would do. We would copy that then. Right click, select all, copy, and we will go over to our members area and we would click on, can you remember what it was? Email your referrals, and we would paste it into that box. Okay. Now, if you were to try and paste this code into a Gmail, it wouldn't work. it would come out looking exactly like that, gobbledygooch. Now, if you know a way that you can send HTML emails using Gmail, then please let me know. Okay, my friends? So thank you for listening. If you've got any questions about this email template code generator, then please let me know. But enjoy. You can use it for splash pages as well, I suppose. Not a problem. Or capture pages or whatever you wish. So thanks for listening. Bye for now. Any questions, just click on here and I will be there to help you as soon as possible. Bye for now. See you in the next video.